In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make these beautiful, traditional, old-fashioned ginger nut biscuits. I'm going to be using one of our family's treasured recipes to do so. So, without further ado, grab your aprons, turn on your ovens, and let's get baking. To start this recipe, we're going to gently melt the butter and golden syrup. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat now before I add the golden syrup. I think that butter still have a few pieces in there, but I think that it should be fine. While the butter and golden syrup is cooling down a little bit, I'm going to be sifting my pre-measured out dry ingredients into this bowl. So what we have in this bowl here is we've got flour, we've got baking soda, cream of tartar, ginger, and salt. I forgot salt. Okay. Sift. Scoop. Boom. The ginger smells very potent. So here we have our mountain of dry ingredients. The next step is to add some eggs to the wet ingredients, if it's cool enough, and we'll take it from there. I don't want the eggs to cook in here, so it needs to be cool enough for the eggs to not cook. Yep, it's not cooking. Fantastic. There we go. The next ingredient that's going into this wet mixture is sugar. We've got brown sugar, and we're going to add that to the mixture. Right, I'm getting ready to add the sugar. And then I'll stir to just combine. Next step, I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients to form our dough. Let's mix. Okay, time to get my hands dirty. There we go. The dough actually feels nice. I don't think I'm meant to knead it, which I'm not going to do. I'm just mixing it together, making sure that all the flour has got some of that wet ingredient in it. So I'm not exactly trying to knead this dough. Just making sure we covered everything and that all the sides are clear. And now I think our dough is ready for the baking tray. Okay, now the dough is ready to go onto the baking tray in little balls for the oven. making this size balls. Need to put them at least 2 centimeters apart because this dough is meant to spread. I know that's more than 2 centimeters, but it's all good. It means I can probably get 4 in a row. Let's aim for that. Like that. This tray is ready for the oven. I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes after I've done this step. Now it's ready for the oven. Here we have the baked cookies. They've had a chance to cool, and I'm showing you how gorgeous they are. Perfectly browned, golden brown, and look at the cracks. I mean, these cracks make them very authentic. So I'm very pleased with this, but the taste test will tell all. It's time for the taste test. I don't know how you enjoy your ginger biscuits, but me personally, I prefer to dunk them. I think this is the perfect dunking biscuit because it's quite hard. Hear that? That means it's perfect. Now let's see. I'm going to dunk it in my cup of tea. That is really good. A mixture of the ginger with the golden syrup and brown sugar, toffee flavor. It's almost like a toffee ginger deliciousness. That's all I can say about that. The fact that it's cracked on the top means that I must have done something right. It's a little bit thicker than I think it should be, but all in all, it's a success, in my book anyways. Let me know in the comments below how you enjoy your ginger biscuits. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of my baking videos, hit that subscribe button. Remember, I am trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and your subscription would help my channel out a lot. Thank you for joining me here on Making It with Dee, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.